it. Okay.
That's odd.
Oh, what the hell? The California code button there. This might have actually been Westinghouse, not Schindler. I actually think these were Westinghouse because this is an older mod. Here's the view. Why does it select Skywalk each time? Also because the lanterns and buttons are just in the panel, not like, they're not like a separate panel on top of it. That was the thing Montgomery and Montgomery Kone did. These might be Montgomery Kone or just Kone mod. But definitely one of those three. Montgomery MK or Kone. Capacity. Sure. Anyway. That will be it.